Red-legged honeycreeper. The red-legged honeycreeper, Cyanerpes cyaneus, is a small, vibrantly colored bird known for its striking appearance and energetic behavior. This essay explores the various aspects of this captivating bird, including its taxonomy, physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, breeding habits, and conservation status. Taxonomy and classification. The red-legged honeycreeper belongs to the order Passeriformes and the family Thropidae. Its scientific name, Cyanerpes cyaneus, reflects its bright blue coloration. The genus name Cyanerpes is derived from the Greek words, cyanos, blue, and herpes, creeper, while the species name Cyaneus means blue, in Latin. Physical characteristics. The red-legged honeycreeper is a small bird, measuring about 11–13 centimeters in length. Males are particularly striking, with bright turquoise-blue plumage, a black face, and black wings and tail. They have bright red legs, which contrast sharply with their blue feathers. Females are more subdued, with greenish upper parts, light blue underparts, and less conspicuous red legs. Both sexes have long, curved bills adapted for feeding on nectar and insects. Juveniles resemble females but have duller plumage and less distinct coloration. Habitat and distribution. The red-legged honeycreeper inhabits a variety of forested environments, including tropical and subtropical forests, forest edges, and plantations. They are found from southern Mexico to northern South America, including countries like Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Venezuela, and Ecuador. They are also present in the Caribbean islands, including Trinidad and Tobago. These birds prefer humid, lowland forests and are often seen in the canopy or mid-story, where they find abundant food sources. Behavior and adaptations. Red-legged honeycreepers are social and active birds, often seen in small groups or mixed-species flocks. They are known for their acrobatic feeding behavior, hopping and fluttering among branches and flowers in search of food. They have a distinctive, high-pitched call, which they use to communicate with each other. These birds are diurnal, feeding primarily during the day. They are highly adaptable and can exploit a wide range of food sources, making them resilient to changes in their environment. Diet. The diet of the red-legged honeycreeper consists mainly of nectar, which they obtain from a variety of flowers. They also consume fruits, berries, and small insects, which provide essential nutrients and protein. Their long, curved bill and brush-tipped tongue are well adapted for extracting nectar from flowers. These honeycreepers play a crucial role in pollination, transferring pollen from flower to flower as they feed. They are also important seed dispersers, contributing to the regeneration of their forest habitats. Breeding and lifespan. The breeding season for red-legged honeycreepers varies depending on the region but typically occurs during the wet season when food is abundant. Males perform courtship displays, which include singing and flapping their wings to attract females. Nests are built by the female, often in the forks of small trees or shrubs. The nest is a small cup made of plant fibers, spider silk, and other soft materials. The female lays 2–3 eggs, which she incubates alone for about 12–14 days. The chicks are altricial, requiring significant parental care. Both parents feed the chicks, which fledge after about 15–20 days. Red-legged honeycreepers can live up to 5–7 years in the wild, though their lifespan is influenced by factors such as predation and environmental conditions. Conservation status. The red-legged honeycreeper is classified as least concern by the IUCN, with stable and widespread populations. However, habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation and agricultural expansion pose potential threats. Conservation efforts focus on protecting and restoring forest habitats and promoting sustainable land use practices. Cultural significance and ecosystem role. Red-legged honeycreepers are admired for their vibrant colors and lively behavior, making them popular subjects in art and birdwatching. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems as pollinators and seed dispersers, contributing to the health and diversity of their habitats. Their presence in tropical forests is often welcomed, as they add to the biodiversity and aesthetic value of these environments. Birdwatchers and naturalists appreciate their striking appearance and interesting behaviors, which enhance the natural beauty of their surroundings.